Hey there, how you guys doing? I am on day 6 of the 28-day challenge, and I'm very, very excited about it. One of my goals is, because you have so many, I don't know about you, but I want to do everything. But one goal that I have in mind is to complete a project by January 3rd, and that's right on track, January 3rd, 2012, and I'm very, very excited about that. How do I feel about this 28-day challenge with the ultimate game of life? I really feel good. It speaks to my learning style. Some of us learn by reading, writing, listening, hearing, or seeing, and I'm more of a seeing, hearing, writing it down type of person. I probably use all of those learning styles. I know I just um, yeah, I've developed myself, but before, if I didn't see it and you were just talking, I would probably fall asleep on you, but I've evolved, and so I'm very excited about that. So the 28-day challenge, it makes me feel good. I get a video every day, and I get an action step to take, something that I can change in my life right away. And what has really opened my eyes up to this whole challenge was I started with these 9 free videos that they offer you, and that's what I want to offer you today. There's 9 free videos called the 9 Environments of You, and so you'll receive that, and then they will also give you an opportunity to take the Ultimate Life Assessment, and I recommend that you do that, because this is how you will know where you are. You'll know where you are, and so whether you take the 28-day challenge or not, you at least know where the areas of improvements are for you and how you can go further. The other reason why I took this was I was always saying I don't really know what my passion is, blah, 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 but I do know what my passion is. What I have mistakenly caused myself to be in a rut is not really seeking the things that I like and how those can come and the money and stuff can come together, but I'm not having that problem anymore. I'm just really having fun and just doing some things that's bringing me joy, doing some things that I would do whether I was getting paid for them or not, and doing things that come easy for me, and then also doing some things that may come hard for me, but I know I have to press myself to the next level if I want to be able to grow, because when I grow, it helps other people grow. So I'll leave you with this. I want you to go over and get these 9 free videos. 9 Environments of You. My link is somewhere here on this video or on my blog. And just remember this, what Jim Rohn said. Jim Rohn said that we should work harder on ourselves than we do on any job. And so that really just solidifies it, because whether you're working a job or not, self-employed, whatever it is, when you work harder on yourself, you're just a better person, better co-worker, you're a better parent, better spouse, better friend. The sky's the limit with it. So anyway, be blessed. Go and check out the 9 free videos and come back. Tell me what you think. Talk to you later.